Let's make the Black Seal and Tonic. The Black Seal and Tonic is a version of the Rum and Tonic created by Goslings Rum in order to showcase their Black Seal rum. I do have a video for the Rum and Tonic here on the channel. Link will be down below if you'd like to check it out and learn a little bit more about those in general. As for the Black Seal and Tonic, I don't have much more to say about it. A note on the rum. If you're going to make a Black Seal and Tonic, you really should be using the Black Seal rum from Goslings Rum. If you want to use this recipe to make another form of rum and tonic using another rum, feel free to do so, but then you're not making the Black Seal and Tonic. A note on the tonic water. Goslings Rum does specify the brand of tonic water that you should use in order to make their Black Seal and Tonic, and that is their own tonic water, the Goslings Finest Tonic Water. I did look around in the local liquor stores and I could not find any of it, and I did try specially ordering it. Unfortunately, I could only get it in lots of cases. I couldn't just get one case, and that was a little too much tonic water for me to special order just for this video, so I opted not to use the Goslings Finest Tonic Water. However, if you want to make this really official, then use their tonic water. We are going to make this drink in the glass, and the official glass is a tall glass. I did try one of my Collins glasses earlier, and it did not fit in there, so I'm using a pint instead, but use a glass that you so choose. The first step in making it is going to be filling your glass with ice, or thereabouts. Next, we're going to add 6 ounces of your tonic water. 6 ounces is 120 milliliters. No, 6 ounces is 180 milliliters, and this is 5 ounces, so I'm going to have to put in 1 can. And a little bit more. That's about 6 ounces. I should probably measure it, but I didn't measure it. Now your rum. 2 ounces of your Goslings Black Seal rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Ooh, should pour that a little gently because they want you to float it, actually. Like that. The garnish is a bit of lime or other citrus. I have a lime wheel, so I'm going to put that on the edge. And then I'm going to sink in a straw. And that's it. The Goslings Black Seal and Tonic. Drink with good spirits. Normally I'd suggest stirring this before drinking it, but I think the gradation is going to make a better picture. So I'll stir it later. Question of the day. What is your favorite brand of tonic water? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to try some new ones. Note there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. You can have a t-shirt. If you want a t-shirt, contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll get you a t-shirt. And while you're at that social media link, you might as well follow, subscribe, and do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time, cheers.